I thought I'd create a quick video to show you how to embed a YouTube video inside of a blog post on WordPress. And I actually had wanted to add this video to our site anyway, so I'm just going to use this as an example. And we're going to use the creating accounts for Zenio for libraries video. And basically the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the web address for the video, which is right here, and I'll send this out in an email so that you have it. So just go to that web address, and you don't have to be an owner of a video in order to share it. So you can do this with anybody's video, whether it's a Scholastic book trailer that you want to add or a summer reading video you want to add. You can use these same steps to add a YouTube video to your website. So I'm going to go to the video. It's right here. If you want to, you can play it. I'm not going to play it. And then after you do that, what you're going to want to do is click on the share button. So there's different ways you can share. You can just share it with the link, so you can share it on Facebook, or you can just share it on your site with the link. But a cooler thing to do is to actually embed it, so it's actually inside of your blog post or your website page. So what it does is it automatically gives you code, and you can change the video size. I think I'm going to stick with 560 by 315. That usually works pretty well. I'm going to uncheck show suggested videos when the video finishes. Basically, those are just like video advertisements at the end, but sometimes it shows inappropriate things. So you're going to go ahead and uncheck that. You could also check some of the other things if you want to. I'm just going to leave them unchecked. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that code to my clipboard. So I have that copied. It's a pretty short code. Then I'm going to go to my page that I want to edit, and this is the page we already had created. So I just went to the spot where I wanted to insert the video, and I put my cursor there, and I'm going to type a little intro just to set off the video. Actually, let's call this Zenio account creation video. Put in an enter there. And then whenever you add any code, you usually need to do it in the text area on a page or a post. And this will be the same whether you're doing a page or whether you're doing a post. So I'm going to go ahead and click on text. And it'll look a little scary when you first do this, and most of the time it'll put your cursor where you were, but it doesn't always do that like you would like it to. So I'm going to scroll down here a bit, and I'm actually going to pause this recording so you don't have to watch me scroll. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it. Okay, so I found where I want to put it, and you'll see that it says Zenio account creation video, so that's how I know I'm in the right place. I'm going to go ahead and add a couple of enters. Then I'm just going to paste. Let me move this down a little bit so you can see the paste. Just going to paste that code we copied before, and then we're going to update it. Then we'll go back to visual just to kind of test it out and see what it looks like. Scroll down here a little bit. So it's going to look funky at first because you won't be able to really see it in the preview, but we're going to preview our changes and check and make sure it looks okay. So then you'll see it embeds it into your actual post, and then your patrons can just automatically play it from there. They can also click on this button and go to full screen, or they can click on the title of the video and it'll take them out to YouTube and they can watch it there. So basically that's how you embed a video in a nutshell. Let me know if you have any questions.